Hi students, today's topic is LDPE and HDPE. The recycling triangle number of LDPE is 4 and HDPE it is equal to 2. These two topic is from the commercial polymer. Here I am going to discuss the synthesis, properties and application of LDPE and HDPE, that is low density polyethylene and high density polyethylene. Polyethylene is very commonly used polymer and it was first produced in England by polymerizing the ethylene monomer. An ethylene molecule undergo polymerization to give polyethylene. In polyethylene, the monomer is ethylene molecule, or it is also called as ethene. Polyethylenes, there are two types. Number one is low density polyethylene, it is simply represented as LDPE, and second one is high density polyethylene, it is simply represented as HDPE. Then we are going to discuss about synthesis, application and properties of low density polyethylene. The common products of LDPE are laundry basket, bread bag, squeeze bottles, plastic film, trash bag, shopping bags, etc. These are the common products in our daily life. Then synthesis of low density polyethylene. It is obtained by the polymerization of ethene under high pressure of 1000 to 2000 atm at a temperature of 350 Kelvin to 570 Kelvin in presence of organic peroxide. This organic peroxide is used as a catalyst for this polymerization process. For better understanding of LDPE, here I am showing a diagram. It is the structure of LDPE. LDPE is a branched polyethylene. They are held together by weak van der Waals force of attraction. Also, it is an example of thermoplastic. Then properties of LDPE. It is chemically inert, tough, flexible and a poor conductor of electricity. 40% of LDPE are crystalline and melt at 110 degree to 125 degree Celsius. Insoluble in solvent at room temperature, but soluble in at high temperature in solvent like CCl for benzene, etc. The presence of branches in polyethylene molecule does not allow it to pack close together and hence volume increases. Therefore, density is very low in the case of low density polyethylene. In this type of polyethylene, density is very low. Therefore, it is called as low density polyethylene. Therefore, packing efficiency is very less. The intermolecular force of attraction between the polyethylene chains are very weak. Density of polyethylene is 0.92 gram per centimeter cube. Let us discuss what are the application of LDPE. The first application is, it is used in the insulation of electricity carrying wires. It is used in the manufacture of squeeze bottle, toys and flexible pipes. It is used in the packing of frozen food. It is used in the manufacture of shopping bags, etc. And one more thing, a 4 number inside the triangle indicate the plastic is low density polyethylene or LDPE. That means the number 4 inside the triangle shows this type of polymers are LDPE. This number is used for the recycling process for easy identification of this type of polymer. LDPE is rarely recycled. When it can be made into floor tile, lumber, paneling, shipping envelopes and trash cans and bubble wrap, etc. The second type of polyethylene is high density polyethylene. It is simply represented as HDPE. The triangle number of HDPE, it is equal to 2. Common products of HDPE are shampoo bottles, then milk jug, then motor oil bottles, flower pots, etc. Then what is the synthesis of high density polyethylene? It is formed when addition polymerization of ethene takes place by in hydrocarbon solvent in the presence of a catalyst such as triethyl aluminum and titanium tetrachloride. This is called Ziegler-Natta catalyst. The catalyst used for the manufacture of HDP is Ziegler-Natta catalyst. It is a type of coordination polymerization at a temperature of 333 Kelvin to 343 Kelvin under a pressure of 6 to 7 atmospheric pressure. Here I am giving the structure of high density polyethylene. It is a linear polymeric chain. Therefore, this type of polymers are well close packed and intermolecular van der Waals force of attraction is very high. Then properties of high density polyethylene. It is also chemically inert and more tough and hard. It consists of linear molecules and has a high density due to its close packing. Density of high density polyethylene is 0.97 gram per centimeter cube. In this type of polyethylene molecule, polyethylene polymer, density is very high, therefore it is called as high density polyethylene. Then what is the application of HDP? It is used for the manufacture of buckets, dustbins, bottles, pipes, toys, etc. The number 2 inside the triangle indicated the plastic is HDPE. Number 4 for LDP, number 2 for HDP. This plastic can be recycled into lumber, drainage pipes, pens, fencing, benches and floor tiles, etc. Now I am going to compare what is the difference, what is the similarity between the LDP and HDP. The first case is that chemical structure. In LDP is more branching, but in the case of high density polyethylene, this is a linear monomer. That means LDP is a branching polymer while HDP is a linear polymer. Density of LDP is very low while that of density of HDP is very high. Then flexibility. LDPE are low crystalline and therefore more flexible, while HDP is highly crystalline, which makes it tougher and more rigid. The advantages of LDP is wide variety of uses is one of the advantages of LDP. Low cost, resistance to acid and bases, therefore it is used in the lab. Easy to process and mold, good electrical insulation, waterproof property, may be processed as transparent. Then what are the advantages of HDP? Wide variety of uses. It is the most advantages of HDP: low cost, high tensile strength, able to resist low temperature, relatively strong and stiff, waterproof property, good electric insulation. These are the advantages of HDP. Then we are going to discuss what are the disadvantages of LDPE and HDPE. More prone to crack stress, not useful in extremely high or low temperature, high permeable to carbon dioxide and other gases, little to no UV resistance. Then we are going to discuss the disadvantages of HDP. The number 1 is may crack under stress, higher risk of molding, stringing, little to no UV resistance. These are the advantages and disadvantages of HDP and LDP. Okay.